What makes a house a home? Besides finding a place in a location where your family wants to live in, say near amenities, schools, or even their grandparents, it must also be a place with good bones, so you can put your personal design stamp on it. And guess what? We have just the place for you today. Hi, I'm Deborah Auyong from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today we're going to see a 5-room flat in Yishun that not only ticks all the right location boxes but has great bones. So if you're searching for a place near Khatib MRT, this is the place for you. Let's go! First, let's talk about one of the 3 standout features of this home, the long dedicated walkway to your front door. Imagine this place with a few potted plants, a nice bench, and some astroturf. It's the perfect welcome home hug after a long day's work. Now, step inside and you'll be greeted by our second exciting feature. While most Yishun flats have the traditional squarish layout of a living and dining, as well as a long rectangular kitchen, this 1300 beauty completely flips the script. Here, the living, dining, and kitchen areas are all in a spacious square. As we all know, squarish layouts offers the best design flexibility. Picture this. Remove the top half of the kitchen wall, add a stunning 4-meter kitchen island, and transform the original living area into a grand dining space with a 3-meter long table. It's perfect for entertaining. And the best part, our only shared wall with the neighbours is tucked away from the main living and dining areas, so your family celebrations would not bother the neighbours. And for those who love to cook, just install accordion windows to close off the massive kitchen island when you cook. Easy! Then you can create 3 distinct zones in the new living area. A balcony for morning coffees and homework with the kids, a living area in the middle, and a play area near the kitchen entrance. The creative possibilities are endless. Feeling excited? Let's not forget the third standout feature of this 3rd floor gem. Its unobstructed front and back windows. Enjoy fresh breezes and bright sunny spaces all day long while you lounge around at home. And what about the amenities? Here they are. So what are you waiting for? Come explore this one-of-a-kind 5-room flat in Yishun with me, Deborah Auyong from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. See you soon!